Steaming potatoes in the steam oven has many advantages. The potatoes will have amazing texture and flavor. You won't have to drain a large pan of boiling water, and there's very little risk of the potatoes overcooking and getting smashed. Another advantage is that if you like to include some hard-cooked eggs in your salad, they can be steamed at the same time. The same with vegetables. Say you want to add some asparagus or green beans to your salad. Just steam them at the same time. Ideally, it's best to add the dressing while the potatoes are slightly warm, but it's also very important to cool the potatoes if you are using a mayonnaise-based dressing. Spreading the potatoes onto a rim baking sheet or leaving them in the perforated pan will ensure they cool evenly, and when they're barely warm, then you can add the other ingredients and the dressing. Once prepared, the salad can be refrigerated until ready to be enjoyed. There you go, simple and easy, steam oven potato salad. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really well. And please like and subscribe.